Let me go fix this brake pad. Oh, I need to walk. I need to finish this car today like this. Okay.
Don't touch me.
Jesus is Lord.
Alright, to achieve this, mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. Now, go in with tools, understand? You are not recording any car. There is no car right here. You don't even need to have a car to do this. You get my point? So make sure you create a space where the car will be. Understand? So as you can see, I'm at one end of the screen trying to do this, and all these things I'm doing them through imagination. So at some point you get shocked and then carry your tools and start running away. Understand? You are not running towards that angle. You're running towards the direction you came in. When you are done, you save your video and head over to Capcut. Alright, so here is the video on Capcut. So what you need to do right here is to split and delete the unwanted part at the beginning of the video. So you tap on split. Now look at it here, you delete it. So this is how the video is going to start. You get my point? So guys, at this point, you will need to bring in the car. Understand? So if you watch from the beginning to the end of this video, I will show you how to get the car and how to get it to fit with this particular video. So what I'm going to do right here, I will come back here at the beginning of the video, then I'll click on overlay, then I'll click on add overlay, then I will bring in the car image. You get my point? So it is a green screen image. You get my point? So that's why I say if you watch from the beginning to the end, I will show you how to do that. You get my point? So at this point, you need to go, make sure you use two fingers and expand it to how you want it to be. Now you go to remove BG. Just tap on the car layer, go to remove BG, tap on it, tap on chroma key. Now move the color picker to where it shows green. Then you can leave the intensity right here, or you can increase it to somewhere 30 or 40. You get my point? You don't need to increase it too much, because if you do, it will affect the video. You get my point? So after that, you can leave the shadow the way it is. You get my point? So at this point, when you are done, you click on this OK button right here. Now, for you to be sure you don't have any green traces around the car, you need to tap on this navigation button and go to adjust. Go and look for adjust. Where is adjust? Okay, look at it right here. So when you click on adjust, you go and look for HSL. You tap on it, tap on HSL, tap on green, and reduce saturation to minus 100. So as it is now, it is okay. You get my point? So you click on this OK button right here, and let's get back to work. Understand? If you should play this video now, if you play the video now, this image is going to move. Understand? But we don't need to do that. We need to work on the image quality. So you click on the brightness, increase it, go to contrast, increase it to somewhere 10. You get my point? So you go to sharpen. Now, where is sharpen? Wait, am I not seeing sharpen? What is going on? I've been at too much, Gary. Okay, see sharpen here. Click on sharpen, increase it to 50. So you can click on clarity and increase it to 50 also. You get my point? So you can see the beauty of the car now. Understand? So you click on OK. So when that is done, you click on this navigation button here. Let's get back. You get my point? Now, what you need to do again is to tap at the beginning of the car layer, go and look for freeze. Understand? So click on freeze. When you click on freeze, now tap on this other side of the car layer, drag it, just tap and hold it, drag it, shift it a bit. Now, what you do again, come back to the frozen layer, tap on it, then drag it to that part where the character is about to run away. You get my point? So the car will still be there. Understand? We need the image to be right there before this car will start moving. So guys, if you are beginning to gain value from this video, please do well to hit the like button. You get my point. And if you are coming across my video for the first time, guys, you're welcome to Mr. Cretin Updates Video Editing channel. You know, here I teach how to edit videos from scratch. You get my point. So do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell just by the side of that subscribe button so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update. Now look at this particular image layer. It's now a video. This particular layer here, tap on it. Now you go to speed. Understand? When you click on speed, you click on normal, like where we are right now. Then you can reduce it to 0.5. You get my point, or you can make it 0.6 depending on how you shot your own video. You get my point. So you do the adjustment here so that once the car starts moving, that is when the character should be leaving, should be running away. So from here you can add your own sound effects and other effects of your choice. You get my point. And then you export the video. So guys, I want to show you guys how to create this walking car effect. You get my point. Because some of you you might know how to do it, but you don't know how to bring it in a green screen so that I can use it to act. So that is why you should stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you follow everything step by step. So without wasting much time, let's dive in on how to do that. So now head over to your Chrome browser and search for remove.bg. So when you click on it, allow it to open like this. You click on upload image. Now this is where you take it to your gallery. Now look at, I just brought in the picture of the car I want to use. Understand? Now why I'm bringing it right here is so that I will change the original background of that picture. Then I will add the green color, the green background. You get my point, as green screen. I don't know if you get my point. So now when you are done getting the image, what you are going to do next is for you to tap on background. You're going to tap on background here, then you tap on color. Now when you tap on color, you are going to select green. Now when the green is applied, you click on this X button right here. When you click on the X button, then you can now download. You see where it says download. So see download right here. So you are going to select free download. You get my point, because you are not subscribing to any plan. You get my point. So it's downloading right now. So when you are done with this one, you can now move over to your Google Play Store. Now look at it here. So click on the search bar and type Pixverse. Pixverse. So look at Pixverse right here. You click on search. I have it already. So I'll click on open. So when I click on open, this is how it's going to open. So it will tell you, they will give you daily credits. They gave me 60. I'll click on done. Now I will go towards where it says crazy and cute. Now I'm going to swipe it, just scroll a little. Understand? Just keep scrolling. You see where it says leggy run. So this leggy run is what we want to use. So you click on this leggy run right now and you click on use template. Now, when you click on use template, it's going to take it to your gallery. Then you bring the green image. You get my point. Now look at it. It tells you to make the object run away. So you click on create. When you click on create, it's going to take a little time. Understand? You take time. So it's for you to have patience and allow it to generate the image. So now here, or the video, sorry. So look at it here, your video is ready. So when you click on it, this is what you're gonna get. Your video is ready. You get my point? So you can now save it to your gallery. So guys, that is just it. You get my point?